Hey everyone, we have a set of Honda S2000 AP1 headlights finished up today. This customer sent in his OEM headlights for our projector lens tuning and lens swap on the projector, improving the lighting output performance and the sharpness and color that you'll get from the beam. So this is our standard headlight performance and style package, what it comes with by default, and then he also added the AP1 JDM style clear corners, and that's pretty much it. Pretty simple and basic build here. We also noticed his bulbs are really old, so he opted to go with a new set of Osram Night Breaker Laser bulbs. So we're just lighting up the left-hand side right now, give you guys an idea what it looks like lit up. We also did his taillights. He got the clear corner taillights done. So this is kind of like a full front and rear end set, all cleared out just to get everything to be perfectly matching for him. The headlight lenses were in pretty good shape when he sent these headlights in, so didn't really need to do any type of restoration, and he didn't request that. So if you have an AP1, S2000, or AP2, we do headlight modifications for this vehicle, and you can get the upgrade package for the projectors, and then add any cosmetic modifications you want, such as these clear corners shown here. We do other modifications such as demonize halos. You can get the high beams yellowed out. A lot of other options on the website that you can browse and add to your headlight package. And we do also offer new replacement your aftermarket headlight lenses if your lenses are in pretty bad shape and you just want to get a new set, and that will make the headlights look pretty much brand new. So if you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our website is VisionAutoworks.com, where you can find this headlight package on our website and make your order completely online. And reach out to us if you have any questions.